Okay, so we're actually going to clean this up a little bit. See over here, these sliders. I'm actually going to drag them upwards and just get things a little spaced here together. Same with this guy right here. I'm going to put these clips there, and I'm going to grab this guy, put it right there for now. Now, the reason why I've done that is because I wanted to make things a little easy to see all of the video tracks. These are the top ones right here. These guys are videos. See how they start off with V1, V2, V3. Okay? And down below are your audio tracks, A1, A2, A3. If you want to add something, you just control click on here. You can say, whoops, actually over around here, add track, or you can delete track. Okay. You can also turn off whether or not that track is being seen too. So see, for instance, we got Bobby John Gets a Call on the top there. I can turn off that track so that track isn't seen anymore, so you can see what's underneath it. Okay, same thing with the sound too. You can mute the sound, and this is mute right here. This is solo. That means you only hear that sound. All right. Now what we're going to do is, this is supposed to be a party, right? We want to hear some party sounds. So we're going to go get some party sounds. If you go to my website, you will be actually here, and on Bobby John Gets a Call, you'll notice I actually have crowd, party, adults. And so we click on it, it takes us to the Sound Dogs page, and you can pick whichever one you want. My suggestion, though, to tell you the truth, is this guy right here, crowd, party, large party crowd, young adults, ambience. It doesn't have music, and that's actually a good thing. You don't want music. The reason why is because you want to be able to control the volume of the music. So we'll have a listen. Actually, I don't really like the kids shouting. I like that. Let's go with that one. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to the ID number. I'm going to control click on it, or right click on it, and say save link as. And then I'm going to find, this is my media folder right here for video 1-3 media. And right where I had the cell phone ring, I'm going to say crowd. Sounds. And I'm going to hit save. It saves it right into my media folder. So let's go into folder 12. Oops. Hit that. There it is. Okay. So I now want to put my crowd sounds into my project. And I'm going to put it right here with all my other clips. So there's a ton of ways you can do that. I've shown you can drag and drop. This time I'm actually going to show you, if you go to File and say Import, Command I, and you go to your media folder and crowd sounds. Yay, I'm going to double click on it. It just automatically opens up, throws it in there. If I double click on it, it closes this window, and there it is up there. My crowd sounds. Good. Okay, so I actually want the crowd sounds to I want it to be part of the party sounds. I don't want it to be very loud at all. I certainly want the music to be louder. Okay, so I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to actually bring in the music and the party sounds ahead of seeing the party. So I want it to actually be one of the first things to get heard in the black, in the darkness. So I've got this guy right here. I'm going to set my in point, I for in, and I'm actually just going to go maybe 3 seconds in and hit O for out, even though I'm going to change the amount. but I don't want it to go too far. I'm going to drag this guy down here and let go. So you can see actually it went way further than I thought it was going to. And that's okay, because I'm just going to hit the razor blade right here, hit V for the move tool, and hit delete. Boom. So I'm only dealing with this little part right here at the moment because I want to change its volume. I'm going to grab this little part here on the bottom, pull this down so now I can see the volume, and I'm already going to put it down to -20. Can I get it to -20? -17.7. Okay, good. Let's have a listen. Alright, now I don't know if you can hear it, but in actual fact, you can hear the audio of the room up here, right here, when people are being quiet. I'm going to take that sound, and I'm going to take the volume of that, and I'm going to pull it right down to 0. So now let's have a listen. There, now you can't hear the hum of the room. Excellent. Okay. Oh, and you can start to hear the hum of the room afterwards. So, in actual fact, I'm going to drag that down, and oh, that's where Bobby John starts talking. Great. Okay. I'm going to move this a little bit up because of my laptop. I don't get to see too many tracks. Alright. Now, where are we at here? Here's a volume 2 that I may as well just drag down to the bottom. I don't need any of these volumes until Bobby John starts talking. And I've got that volume the way that I like, so I'm going to move this up here too, so that way I can put my music down below. That's the crowd sound. I really don't need the crowd sound to last very long, but I do need it to go at least until Bobby John starts talking. So I'm going to do that. And now that I said I don't need to adjust it, I actually do. I'm going to pull this guy down. Whoops. Pull it down. Hit P for the pen tool. I'm going to grab this guy and have it fade out.
The itching is unbelievable.
There we go. See, so that's faded out. The music's going to fade out too. Alright, I think that's it for crowd sounds.